Driving toward Rolling Meadows Subdivision.
Rick, let's hit it. Hi, Alan Victoria. Welcome to our channel and podcast.
And if this is your first time in our podcast YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and get notified.
Us with calls and texts all the time at 252-327-3357. So don't be shy. We love talking to you, especially about these houses that we're about to see. Hi, welcome to our driving tour of Rolling Meadows as we start in this community, and I'm super excited to show it to you. Because everybody has different hopes, different dreams, different desires for their home. And I like homes that have some interesting stuff, of course, and that looks very interesting to me. So anyway, but everybody has different hopes, different dreams, different desires. And that's the point of all of this, is some people might want a dead-end street, some people might want to be right in the city, and some people might want a house more in the country. And we have everything here, and we love showing and talking about our town, Greenville and Winterville, North Carolina. And it is the filming of Christmas time, so you can see all the fun little Christmas that they've done right there. But I'm going to turn this over to my husband so we can talk to you a little bit more.
Yeah, hello everyone. Basically, this subdivision has no HOA. Good news, you can find the houses over half an acre of land here. The one that is sold 1.54 acre land in 90s with 1,237 square feet, 3-bedroom, 2 baths for $202,500. And your school, according to our MLS, is going to be Eastern for elementary, Hope for middle school, DH Conley for high school. These houses built 80s and 90s, and basically they are low 200 up to mid 200. And I just want to quickly add that basically you are 6.7 miles from largest medical center ECU and 4.9 miles from main campus of the university, East Carolina University. You wanted to add anything?
Sure, I can talk about this. Sure, hi. Okay, I mean, of course, there's Starbucks and Pinder close by, but there's Port City Java, Blackbeard's Coffee Roasters. So there's definitely coffee around here. And if you're looking for food, I would be taking my kids to Parker's Barbecue, Cubby's, the Rick House, Zoe's Kitchen. However, you might have different hopes, different dreams, different desires, like we talked about earlier, which means you have very different restaurant choices than me. And that's okay. I'd love to hear it in the comments because I love going to new places and checking out new places as well. So really, we're doing all of this because we love looking at these homes. Inside the homes, we are real estate agents, and of course, talking about buying and selling in this area. We are 100% thrilled to be your choice for that, and I'm going to give this back to my husband.
Yes, I just wanted to mention, as you see in this neighborhood, they're very nicely spaced from each other. Most of them are vinyl siding. They might have a garage, but many of them, they just have a driveway. But really in an affordable range when they hit the market. And this is the place that actually you can come as a starter home. And a starter home and see yourself. As you see, there's no HOA. Therefore, many people, they had boat here. And I hope these driving tours that we are doing for you is useful. Make sure if you are buyer or seller, call Alan Victoria Pinder. We are here to help you and see you in the next driving tour of the subdivisions.
I hope you loved our driving tour of Rolling Meadows. Isn't it a cute little community and super affordable?
Don't forget to call us 252-327-3357.
Wait,